What a great day is it today.
Oh.
What's wrong, Julie?
My back hurts, Steven. I wonder what caused it to happen. Wait a fucking minute. It was John.
How could you be so sure? It was a coincidence.
He stepped on a crack. And it broke my back. And it's really painful.
Oh my God. How dare he? Is so going to get grounded when he gets home.
I better get home now. Otherwise my parents will be furious at me.
John. How dare you break your mother's back? That's it, you're grounded, 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 grounded.
Go to your room, young man. And no more breaking my back.
Whoa.